What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Google Keep notes that you have mistakenly deleted. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in keep.google.com, or you can browse through the Google apps. Just scroll a bit and then you will find this Keep Notes application. Click on it, and then in both the cases, you will be landed to the home page of Google Keep Notes. So after coming here, just make sure that you are signed in or logged in with your Gmail account. And then on the left side, you can see the option of trash. Click on it. And then as you can see, this is my note that I have deleted and I want to restore it. But make sure guys, the notes in the trash are deleted permanently after 7 days. So after 7 days, your notes will be permanently deleted from Google Keep Notes. So just hover to this node and then you will see the option of restore. Click on it once and then as you can see here a pop-up message asking that the node is restored. When you click again on nodes, as you can see my node has been restored. So this is how you can recover Google Keep Notes. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.